My name is Scott Chase. I am the owner and founder of Advanced Systems of Kansas City, Basement and Foundation Repair. I have been a construction professional for 27 years, and specifically for the last decade in the residential foundation repair segment of the construction industry. One of the things that differentiates our company from many of our competitors is that in the free inspection process that we offer, I am the specific person that will come out and offer you a free inspection with whatever proposals make the most sense for the specific problem that you're having with your foundation. So please give us a call, schedule your free inspection so that I have the opportunity to meet you personally at your home. We look forward to hearing from you soon.